What's good, everybody? On today's video, we're going to take a look at this DeWalt temper, manual temper. It is 10 by 10, made of full steel, and it does the job for do-it-yourself projects. So we're going to show you how we created this whole path. We dug it up, what kind of materials and rocks we use for drainage. So stay tuned for the whole video.
All right, so we're going to be doing some landscaping here. So this is the line. We're going to be putting an edger here and following up all the stones all that way.
So the first step is to dig up using a machine here. We're going to be trenching it out, flattening it up down to 5 inches flat. And then we're going to go put our gravel. Now that we have our path dug out 5 inches deep, and make sure you tamp it down as well. Have a nice straight line. The next step is to bring our gravel, Pearock. It's like little stones. It's going to help with drainage. We're going to top that off at 3 inches. We're going to level it. Next step is to put our weed barrier. Now we are using a vapor barrier, which is hard, thick plastic, but you can use a weed barrier as well. We will be punching holes in this as well, allow for the water to drain into the rock. All right, so this is pea gravel. All right, so we're gonna need 3 inches of this. This is kind of what it looks like. Next, make sure all the pea drop or HPB is flattened out. You can do that with a rake, and then tamp it down again with your tamper. And now you're ready to start putting on your pavers. Basically grab the pavers, spread them out evenly, and make sure that they're all even one to the other. And once you've done everything, put your marble white rock and start tamping it all down as well. So our path work is complete and the results are pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. It's looking pretty beautiful, and I saved about $3,500 as if I were to hire a company to do this. Anyway, that's the video. Thanks for watching.